All Odisha EPF Pensioners Association by email speed post to Mr. Jagmohan, ACC HQ, Legal Employees Provident Fund Organization, Bhavisyanidhi Bhavan, Bikaji Kama Place, New Delhi 110066. Subject: instructions on dealing with matters of higher pension recording. Reference: your letter number, LCE file number, so and so. Dear sir, with reference to the above, we would like to lodge our empathetic protest against your above referred letter, which is in direct conflict with the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 4/10/2016 and Kerala High Court judgment dated 12/10/2018 in the matter of payment of higher pension and actual salary. In this connection, we are inclined to state and submit as follows for your consideration and withdrawal of above letter to avoid contempt of court proceedings. Number 1. There is a concluded judgment of the Apex Court dated 4/10/2016 for payment of higher pension and actual salary, basing upon which your office has taken approval of Internal Affairs Committee, CBT, Ministry of Labour and Ministry of Finance, GOI for implementation of said order. Number 2. However, after obtaining approval from all quarters, your office has issued circular dated 23/3/2017 to all your field officers, followed by another reminder dated 8/6/2018 for implementation of the Apex Court order in letter and spirit. Number 3. Accordingly, number of higher pension cases in all over India have been sanctioned by obtaining joint option after retirement as per the direction of Honorable Court, and now you have communicated via your above referred letter that cases where no option under the provision to para number 11 of 3 of the EPS 95 was exercised by the employees during their service, and options are sought to be exercised after retirement, termination of employment, or decidedly beyond the sweep of R.C. Gupta, Supra, should be rejected with reasons which is illegal, arbitrary, and bad in law. Number 4. Similarly, Honorable Kerala High Court has struck down the 2014 amendments to EPS 95, and Honorable Apex Court has also dismissed the SLP filed by EPFO challenging the said High Court judgment. Therefore, the amendments to the EPS 95 by EPFO is no more in force, since as of now, no stay order has been given by any court against the judgment of Honorable Kerala High Court dated 12/10/2018. Number 5. It has been indicated by Honorable Supreme Court in its judgment dated 4/10/2016 para 8 that a beneficial scheme in our considered view ought not to be allowed to be defeated by reference to a cut-off date, particularly in a situation where the employer had deposited 12% of the actual salary and not 12% of the ceiling limit of 5,000 or rupees 6,500 per month, as the case may be. Number 6. In para 11, Honorable Apex Court has also ordered that at best what the Provident Fund Commissioner could do, and which we permit under the present order, is to seek a return of all such amounts that the concerned employees may have taken or withdrawn from their PF account before granting them the benefit of the provisions to clause 11 of 3 of the pension scheme. Once such a return is made, in whichever case return is due, consequential benefit in terms of the order will be granted to the said employees. Number 7. In view of the above discussions, position of law and orders of Apex Court and Kerala High Court, the above referred letter issued by your good office is illegal and bad in law and liable to be withdrawn. We would therefore request you to kindly honor the orders of the Apex Court and Kerala High Court and withdraw the aforesaid letter immediately to meet the ends of justice. Yours faithfully, B. Brahma, General Secretary.